Well, hello again from Astro Patio. Well, after 4 attempts of 3D printing up a bracket for my ZWO EAF for my Lunt LS60MT telescope, I finally got all the measurements corrected, and this is what it looks like and is on the telescope. As you can see, it holds the EAF focuser with the mounting bracket. And this is the bolt that holds it, closes it, and opens it and holds it in place. And there's the bolt that actually works to allow it to slide open and closed around the scope. It's not covering any of the screws to hold it and to lock it down or anything. They're free to be used. Anyway, enjoy, and remember, always look up and enjoy the view from the blue marble.